Good morning, Year 7. I hope you're doing well. Today we are starting our assessment revision. Your assessment is going to be 2 weeks from today, so it's really important that we start to knuckle down into that revision period. We're going to be doing a different topic every lesson, starting off with area and perimeter today, and then we'll be doing a different topic, as I said, every lesson to make sure that you can be the best possible in that assessment. So to go through today's Connect Grid nice and quickly for you first of all. So find the lowest common multiple of 8 and 12. So multiples, think multiply, think times tables. So if I write out my multiples, I can have 8, 16, 24, 32, that would keep going. I could have 12, 24. I can see my lowest common multiple is 24. The next one, to identify the missing angle, you need to remember the rule that angles around a point, this point just here, add up to 360 degrees. So you have to add these two angles together and take that away from 360. That will give you what's left. So 100 plus 120 is 220 degrees. I then do 360, take away 220 because angles around a point add up to 360. And that tells me that that angle, A, must be 140 degrees left over. I can just check it by saying 140 plus 100, that's 200, plus 240, then plus another 120, that adds up to 360, so I know I'm correct. Next one, the area of the parallelogram. Parallelograms, we do base times the perpendicular height. Perpendicular, oh, I'm not spelling that right. Perpendicular height. Perpendicular meaning the height that's at a right angle to the base. Therefore, remember that 5 it's a distractor, okay? It's there to distract you. The lengths that you care about are the 4 and the 3.5. So we just do 4 times 3.5. Now, in order to work that out, do it as a column multiplication. Do 35 times 4, and then we'll put the decimal place back in. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 3, 12. Add the 2, 14. Then put the decimal place back in. There was one number after the decimal place in the question, so one number after the decimal place in the answer. My answer then, 14 millimetres squared, because it said all lengths are in millimetres. Next one, a little bit of column subtraction, just making sure we set our work out really clearly in columns. 9 take away 3, 6. 4 take away 6 doesn't work, so I have to borrow from the next one. 14 take away 6 is 8. 2 take away 0, 2. My answer, 286. Collecting like terms, I need to go along my row and underline things that are the same and circle things that are the same. Notice how when I do this, I always circle including the sign to the left and underline including the sign to the left. So then I do 6a minus 5a. Well, that would leave me with 1a, but we don't write the 1, so we just say a. 14b plus 1b would give me positive 15b. And that's finished. Last one, find the missing angle. You know angles in a triangle add up to 180. So a little bit like this question, you need to add these two angles together and take it away from 180 degrees. So I do 44 plus 38 first of all. 4 plus 8, 12. 4 plus 3, 7. Add the 1, I've got 82. Then I need to do 180, take away 82. I can actually do that in my head, but you don't have to. Take away 80, I get to 100. Take away another 2, and I'm down at 98 degrees. Okay, Year 7, that's it for today's Connect Grid. Good luck with your 2 Hegarty tasks today on area and perimeter. If there are any problems at all, do let me know on Show My Homework. Speak to you soon.